Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, may Allah reward you. May Allah accept from you. I am sitting in our new prayer hall at 7844 Southfield Freeway, and you all contributed to these beautiful Musalla carpets that we are sitting on. You brought it from a very dirty, dark, and ugly marijuana grow room to its present condition. We invite you all to come out and pray with us, especially on Eid al-Fitr, inshaAllah ta'ala. And we intend to keep moving to our next building and to do the women's ablution station. We ask you humbly to please continue contributing. And first and foremost, and most importantly, we ask Allah that this be founded on taqwa of Allah, on God consciousness from its first day. Wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa alihi wa sallam, walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.